Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Alok.
And this is Chaitra.
This is the first episode of our Winter Ladakh 2021 series. This was a 10-day trip in the winter season that started on 13th of Feb and concluded on 24th of Feb. This was our second Ladakh trip. The earlier was in the month of August of 2017. So last time we didn't get to see the snow that much in Ladakh. So this time we went in the month of February in order to experience the winter Ladakh, to enjoy the frozen lakes of Ladakh. This is our small effort to share our travel experience with you all. So stay tuned to this channel and be with us for this entire travel series and also to our future travel experiences that we are going to share in this platform. As the current trip was in the peak winter season, we had taken all necessary precautions to face the harsh cold climate of Ladakh by carrying necessary warm clothings. Considering the luggage limitations of domestic flights, with 15 kg of one bag for main luggage and 7 kg for hand luggage, we had to pack efficiently. Our flight journey to Leh from Mangaluru had a 4-hour stopover at Delhi. In the first leg of our journey, our flight was scheduled for departure to Delhi from Mangalore airport at 10:55 pm on 13th of Feb, and we were scheduled to arrive at Delhi airport at 2 am on 14th of Feb. As mandatory COVID protocol, passengers sitting in the middle seat had to wear the PPE kit that was provided to us at check-in or during the boarding time. When our Indigo flight landed at Delhi, we were made to wait for almost 1.5 hours in the plane itself, since there was no docking space available for us to deboard. Luckily, we had a 4-hour layover period for our next flight to Leh from Delhi, hence it was not a big issue for us. So it's better to have a minimum of 3 to 4 hours of gap between your connecting flights to avoid unnecessary problems.